How do you purchase something? I bet you find it on your mobile, then read reviews on your laptop, then switch back to your mobile. Put simply, you navigate through different devices. Actually, this doesn't just apply to online shopping. We also watch movies, use social media, and do various other activities in the same way. In other words, you expect websites to run smoothly across all devices, no matter what you're doing. This is where responsive web design comes in. It brings many advantages to your business. Let's dive into it. The term is not new, but is now more relevant than ever before. The thing is that now websites can no longer afford to make mistakes. Page loads slowly, customers will go elsewhere. If it looks good on desktop but is messy on mobile, they'll go somewhere else. This is how important web design is. 94% of users list web design as a key reason for trusting or not trusting a website. With responsive design, your website will display well on any device. Cool! Anything else? Sure! More mobile traffic. The use of smartphones has increased, and people can now access the internet at any time in any place. In fact, nearly 54% of total web visits are from mobile devices as of August 2022. If your website can adapt to the mobile screens of any device people use, it can bring you more traffic. Fewer maintenance needs. Since you don't have to manage two versions of your website separately, as you do with adaptive websites, less time and money is spent on website maintenance. Profit. Lower bounce rate. Responsive web design means a better user experience. Is your website easy to navigate? If so, there's a higher chance that users will spend more time there. Pretty logical, isn't it? Moreover, responsive websites load faster. If it takes your website more than 3 seconds to load, bad news. Users will quit and are unlikely to ever come back. Now, let's talk about money. Developing a website with responsive design is a bit more expensive, but once complete, it requires less maintenance than an adaptive site. Overall, this produces long-term savings in web development fees. Well, that's pretty much all we wanted to say about the importance and advantages of responsive web design. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that little bell to never miss new content.